Hey everyone, welcome back to INTOPDB. Today I will show you the module 3 advanced data retrieval step by step with clear explanation and example using SQL. SQL aggregate function. Aggregate function allow you to perform calculation on multiple rows and return a single values. Example: count rows, sum adds values, average, minimum, maximum. Total number of employees, so you can use count star. So this is the total employees. Okay, total employees, let's check. 107. Total salary of all employees, so you can say sum. For the salary you will use sum. There you go. So this is the total salary of employees. Average salary, you can use AVG and then salary in the bracket. Okay, let's run. So this is the average salary. And then minimum and maximum salary, select minimum salary as minimum salary, maximum salary as max salary from employees. So we use minimum and maximum for the salary. Okay, it's going to take some time. As you can see, minimum salary and this is maximum salary. Group by and having group by groups rows with the same value. No, so aggregate function can be applied to each groups. Having filter groups, unlike where, which filters rows. Example: total salary per department. Select department ID, sum salary as total salary from employees, group by department ID. So let's run this query. There you go. As you can see, department ID, and this is total salary per department ID. Example 2, department with average salary greater than 5,000. Select department ID, average salary as average salary from employees, group by department ID, having average salary greater than 5,000. So this is average salary greater than 5,000. Let's run. So for department ID 40, average salary is greater than 5,000 is 6,500. String function: concatenate string 1 and string 2, concatenate strings, substring, string, start and link, extract substrings. In string, substring finds position of substring. Example: full name of employees. Select concat first name and then concat, this is the concat last name as full name from employees. So concat, we can use concat here. This is the concat sign. Oops, so my bad. This is the concatenation symbol, last name as full name, so I have corrected here. First 3 letters of first name, select substring first name, first and 3 letters as short name from employees. So we are using substring. Let's check. So first 3 letters of first name. For that we are using substring. And position of A in first name. Let's say select in string first name, position of A as position of from employees. Let's check the position of A. So our position A is 0, 5. So this is how you can find the position of A. Date function: SYSDATE, like current date, add months, adds end month to date. String format, convert string to date. Months between date 1, date 2, difference in month. Example: current date, select SYSDATE as today. So it says today's date. Add 6 months to hire date. So for that we are using select first name, add months, hire date, 6 months we are adding as review date from employees. So this is add 6 months. Convert string to date. So let's convert string to the date. So we are using to date and we are converting the date to a string to